Best built-in microwaves. Product link in the description below. Are you looking to improve your cooking speed to a greater extent? If yes, then the best built-in microwave is something that you should have in your kitchen for sure. No matter, you want to warm beverages, or cooking popcorn, this equipment can be very handy for such things. Having a built-in microwave will ensure that you don't need to worry about setting the right temperature and time interval, as there are pre-programmed buttons in it. We can say that they are a highly efficient device that can turn out to be a perfect value for money. List of top best built-in microwaves review on Amazon. 10. Panasonic NNSD 745S microwave. 9. Frigidaire FGMO 205 kB, best for beginners. 8. Farberware Black FM012 AHTBSG, best with grill feature. 7. MasterChef built-in convection microwave. 6. Breville ERM BMO734XL, best for quick work. 5. Panasonic microwave oven NNS-N936B, best for larger capacity needs. 4. Sharp countertop microwave, best budget-friendly option. 3. Frigidaire FGMO 20 kB, editor's choice. 2. Panasonic NN South Dakota 681S, built-in microwave, best stainless steel built-in microwave. 1. Farberware FMW011 AHTBKB, best for durability. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.